Hey, I'm going to show you how to work on your Facebook Live. So, if you want to do a virtual open house or something like that, it's just a little quick, easy way to show you how to do that. So, I just logged into Facebook. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to go to my business page. And when I do that, I'm going to get through some of this junk and scroll down here. So right under my banner, you'll see where it says create live event, offer, job, etc. I'm going to click on create live. From there, it will pull up a live producer window. And from that window is where I can either go live now or schedule a live video. So I'm going to choose to schedule a live video because I don't want to go live right this second. I want to do it on Sunday. So I'm going to click schedule a live video, and then here it lets me choose my time. What time and day will my live video be? So I'm going to choose Sunday. I'm going to choose that my live video is going to start, I'm going to say at 2:15. Do you want to make sure that your time is correct over here, that you are in Central Time? You should be set that way, but just in case. Okay. So it's going to ask me, where am I going to go live? I'm going to go live here on my business page. I can choose a title. So this is going to be my virtual open house. And then I'm going to list the address. Then I can say something about this live video. So this is where I can kind of type my post or the information about what it is that I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to say, come see this. Come see this adorable Cherry Creek home on Sunday. Oh, I'm having trouble typing today, guys. On Sunday, we will check out all of the updates and neighborhood information. Get ready to tour this great home on a secluded lot. At that point, I can add emojis. I can check in with a physical place if I want to. I can cross post this to more pages. So you can put it on your primary page, if you have more than one business pages, basically you just choose this. I'm not going to use another business page. Okay. Then audience settings. You do want it to be to the public. You don't want to necessarily limit this, I don't think, by locations for this particular purpose. Okay. Oops. There we go. Then you can select an image for your post that's going to go along with your live. Let me see if I have any on this particular device that I'm using. Looks like I do. So I don't know what these are. There we go. I don't know what these pictures are of. Just going to kind of scroll down to where I think the one I want to use is located. Okay, hold on. Just let me get out of that. Sorry, y'all. I didn't have my photo selected. I forgot what device I was on. It's not it. That'll work. Okay. I'm sorry. It happens to be this device that I'm on. It's got all kinds of stuff pulled up, and I can't choose my photo. Okay. Then over here on the right side, you'll see that you have a URL here in case you want to use that to promote it. You can use that. You can use it on different platforms to promote. That's the URL that people can use to go straight to your live video when it's time. You can use a persistent stream key, and I would it's up to you as far as if you use that, or you can use a backup. You're going to want to stream your video. Here's your embedded code again if you wanted to email that to someone. This is how people are going to view. You can enable the live commentary, or you can disable it. Enable is the default. If you want to disable it, you'll have to check there. And then here is your post about where your photo is and all of that. You can choose, there's a get reminder for people. And then you'll preview your stream 20 minutes before the event. And then it'll begin automatically at your scheduled start time. Okay. So you're going to schedule your live video. And it's been successfully scheduled April 5th at 2:15. So that is how you schedule your live video. Hope that was helpful. And if you guys have any other questions, just let me know.